all these babies call me Captain Jackson.
What's up YouTube? It's your girl Tamara and I am back with another video. We are going to be trying this Amrezy eyeshadow palette. I just picked it up a couple days ago. So yeah, let me get into this palette, but before I do, make sure that you guys once again are subscribed. Make sure that you like my video, comment and share, because I want you guys to share every single video that I upload so we can get them views up so everybody can see, you know, what your girl is doing. So this packaging is dope. If you don't know, my favorite color is pink. I love pink. Pink has been my favorite color since I can remember. So these are the colors. They're so pretty. And I'm going to be doing, I think I'm going to do a Valentine's Day look with this. First things first, I'm going to moisturize my face because I just got done washing my face. And I actually just smacked this wig on my head too for this video. I was actually supposed to be wearing a different wig, but I decided to go with this one. Supposed to go get my nails done. Like, I think I'm gonna just do it tomorrow. Okay, I look a whole lot better. I was looking so dry. Put some on my lips too. Crusty. Fat girl problems. Whew. Okay, let's get straight into it. So I don't know where none of my stuff is at. I normally use on my if I use a pomade. Oh, it's right here. My bad. So people been doing like this. Y'all know that technique with the hair like strokes. I've never done that before. So today just gonna be one of those days. If I can find my brush. If I can't find my brush, we ain't doing it. But I found it. I'm scared, y'all. I know I'm scared. Scratch that. I don't think I could do it. Like I genuinely feel like I just feel like I can't do it. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the color Golden. Now I used this concealer before, but it's like a different shade. I don't believe that it's the same shade. This actually might be a little bit too light, to be honest with you. Cause I didn't remember like what my shade was when I went to Ulta. I don't even remember. I think this is like light skinned people stuff. I don't think this is for caramel skinned people. This is too light, but it's cool. We got this. We got this. So the one that I normally use is called Warm Tan. It's not this light, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go in with Warm Tan, and I'm going to put that. I'm gonna conceal my the top of my eyebrows with Golden Sand. I'm gonna switch to voiceover because there's too much going on upstairs, so I'm gonna switch it to voiceover. Alright guys, so now that that is all over, I am going to be putting concealer on my lid and blending it out with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to set it with some night powder, but I didn't show that part, but that's what I did. So the first shade I'm going to be using is called New Yorker. It's a very beautiful brown orangey shade. I'm gonna put that directly above my crease. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade called Shisma. It is like this light purple. It's not like a light purple. It's like a. It's not plum. Fuchsia, maybe. I don't even know what kind of color this is, but it's like a purple color. It's so pretty, and I put that in my crease. So now for my outer corner, I'm going to deepen up a little bit with the shade Yugo. As you can see, I am cutting my crease using this Morphe brush. So I'm doing like tapping motions, so I don't mess up. So after I'm done cutting my crease, I am going to be taking a brush with no product on it, and I'm going to be tapping away the extra concealer that's on my lid, so it don't be all wet looking when I put the metallics and stuff on top of it. So the middle of my lid, I'm going to go in with the color Amrezy, and I'm going to be slapping that pretty much all over my lid. And then I think I showed y'all for like the shade more in the inner corner. It was Anastasia, but I ended up changing my mind, and I end up using the shade Barb. So that's what I'm putting on my lid right now. Alrighty, now for the fun part. I'm going to be going in with this Morphe Gel eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing a wing liner. Not really anything dramatic. I just want to do something just simple, just a regular liner. But to spice it up, I'm going to be going in with this NYX eyeliner. It's liquid eyeliner, and it is white. And I'm going to be putting like right on top of the black liner. And this was my first time doing a white eyeliner, and I was have an anxiety attack. No, I'm just kidding. It was just something new. I've never did it before. I've been seeing this trend, so I just want to try for myself. But the fun fact about the white liner, if you mess up, you can go back in with the black liner and fix your, mistakes. So I like the way that this look came out so pretty. So now I'm going to be going in with my lash in the Style Stallion. You can go on my website at www.maribelbeauty.com and purchase these lashes. They're only $10. So let me tell you about this foundation. So y'all know I'll be using the Juvia's Place Velvety Matte Foundation, the magic one or whatever it's called. So I don't use the shade Nairobi, right? But I end up using, I think it's called Havana or something. I don't know, but it was too light. And I'm like, well, it's the medium, caramel shade. Let me go ahead and just, no, it was too light. But I ended up, using like concealers and contour to like blend out everything. So that's what I'm doing right now with the same concealer that I used to prime my eyelid earlier. To set my concealer, I'm going to go in with my benign powder in the shade Banana. And I've been seeing everybody use this brown shade in this Juvia's Place palette. So I want to try it out for myself. And I fell in love because it's like, it has like this red undertone, like an orange undertone to it. And I just fell in love with it. So don't know what I'm doing right here. Something must have been on it. But I'm using this shade and I like it so far. Now I see why everybody was using it because it's dope. They need to come out with like a contour shade, like a powder with just that color. So we won't have to buy the whole freaking palette just to get that shade. But it's bomb. So I use the shade, I think it's Leo, for my bottom lash line, and it came out so cute because it like matched my shirt. Cause I didn't want to change my shirt anyway, so I'm glad that they had the shade that matched my shirt. But yeah, I'm gonna put down my bottom lash line, and then I'm gonna go in with this Jordana. It's not an eyebrow pencil. I think it's like an eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna smoke that out into my waterline. Then I'm gonna go in with the NC42 MAC Studio foundation. It's like the powder foundation. So now we're doing blush and highlighting. So I use this peachy blush from MAC, and then the highlighter is from Juvia's Place. And I just love the way this look, like it's glowing, sis. We're glowing. So I'm going to be lining my lips up with this ColourPop lip liner. It is like a dark rose color, and then I'm going to also go in with another lip liner because I would use kind of like a light lipstick, so I kind of want like an ombre look, and it's in the shade Espresso from NYX. And then I'm going to go with this Makeup Revolution lip gloss. It smells like chocolate, and it smells so good. Like, it's pretty bomb. And then I'm going to go, and well, to top that, I'm going to be using this Max Clear lip gloss. And yes, I love that. That's like my new favorite lip combo because it's like so pink and glossy. It's bomb. Okay, so this palette is bomb, so I'm gonna need y'all to go get one. Look how cute this came out. Like, yes, work it, sis. Make sure that you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.